Imagine robots that can learn new skills from humans. An effective approach is to train robot policies in simulation guided by human demonstrations and deploy them to the real world. We present CHORD, contact wrench guidance from human demonstrations for robotic dexterous manipulation. CHORD enables robots to perform long-horizon, large-scale dexterous manipulation. It also extends naturally to whole-body manipulation and can be deployed on real hardware. Let's start with opening a box where a human pushes under the lid. To transfer this skill, we need to reproduce the object motion, which depends on contact interactions. Simply matching the demonstrated contact point, shown in red, is not enough. As the green heat map shows, nearby contacts may look plausible, but lead to undesired outcomes. Instead, CHORD uses contact wrenches to capture how contact drives motion. A contact wrench combines force and torque, describing how contact influences object motion. In other words, we are not only asking where the human touched the object, we are asking how the human influenced the object's motion. We extract contacts from the human demonstration, shown here as contact friction cones. For each frame in hand, we compute the corresponding contact wrench and visualize its wrench manifold, which captures the forces and torques the hand can apply. In frames 1 and 2, the right hand forms a secure grasp, spanning many directions in wrench space. In frame 3, the hand only contacts the object from below, so the manifold covers a smaller region, reflecting more limited control over the object's motion. We use these references for learning. In blue, the learned policy produces wrench manifolds that closely match the demonstration, showing that the robot has acquired similar force and torque generation capabilities to drive the desired object motion. Using contact wrench guidance, CHORD captures a wide range of human manipulation skills, including grasping, reorientation, handovers, tool use, and opening, closing, and turning tasks. It supports rigid, articulated, and multi-object manipulation. With the ability to learn diverse capabilities, CHORD generalizes to long-horizon manipulation tasks. To evaluate at scale, we open source a benchmark of 4739 simulation-ready tasks paired with human demonstrations. Across 1831 evaluations, CHORD achieves an average success rate of 82%. Importantly, contact wrench guidance is agnostic to embodiment. This allows CHORD to naturally extend to whole-body manipulation behaviors using a 3-fingered robot hand, with demonstrations collected from either hand-only or whole-body motions. Across 17 whole-body manipulation tasks, CHORD achieves a 91% success rate. Finally, we deploy the learned policies on real hardware. CHORD successfully manipulates a capsule machine, a mixer, a waffle iron, and a box. CHORD introduces contact wrench guidance, a single abstraction that enables long-horizon manipulation, diverse object interactions, whole-body dexterous manipulation, and real-world deployment. For more details, please see the manuscript and